Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Klaviyo profiles to improve segmentation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin updating Klaviyo profiles, log in to your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Profiles tab in the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find the profile you want to update. Click on the profile to open its detailed view. Review the existing information for accuracy and relevance. Identify any missing fields that are important for segmentation, such as location or purchase history. Click on the Edit button to modify the profile information. Fill in any missing data fields with accurate details. Consider adding custom properties that align with your segmentation strategy. Once all desired fields are updated, click Save Changes to apply them. To improve overall data quality, review the profile activity history. Look for any trends or key actions that could be valuable for segmentation purposes. If applicable, integrate third-party data sources to enrich profile information further. Explore utilizing Klaviyo's segmentation features by creating lists or segments based on updated data. Use filters to segment your audience effectively based on behaviors or attributes. Regularly audit profiles to ensure data remains accurate and relevant over time. Engage with your audience through personalized campaigns based on the updated segmentation. Monitor the performance of your segments to gauge effectiveness and adjust strategies as needed. By maintaining accurate and detailed profiles, you can enhance your email marketing efforts significantly. Keep your segmentation strategy aligned with your business goals to maximize engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.